Добър ден. G'day. Today I'm like to talk about the stinking people. How can you not smelling yourself? Абе, you stinking. You fucking live in Australia, more. Абе, have a shower. Get the miris, малце подмишка. Абе, clean yourself. Not here, you come next to me in the lift, you fucking, I can't breathe it. Oh my God, some people, Jesus Christ, unbelievable. Unbelievable. In this country, you not to have a share to stinking like that is something, I don't know what to say for these people. I don't know what to say. They come with the suit, with the tie, and they fucking stink. Smrdat kornat, fuck bullshit. All I'm saying is, if you can affording the mashna, the toy, the suit, buy something deodorant, and prskaj tamu. Thank you very much. See you, Sosdavia.